guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my new luggage. So it's the BÉIS luggage brand by Shay Mitchell. I see people use these suitcases all the time. They're cute, they're fashionable. Yeah, we're gonna unbox now. Cute. Here she is, my new suitcase. What shall I name you? There, Chloe, there's a box for you to lay in. Wow. She's beautiful. Alright, let's just do. Oh! Okay. Oh shit, don't break anything. To be honest, I don't really know what this is for. Anybody in the comments below want to tell me? It's like a little seat belt. I don't know. So we got the handle here that says BÉIS. It's cute. Oh my god, that is soft. Open extends nicely. Cute. Let's give it a little test walk. Yes, she moves nicely. Oh my god. I got it. So to open it, I think what you do, so you can't like pull on them. I think you like pull right here. Bam. This opens the suitcase. Also, they have the other big zipper right here. This is gonna make it expand more if you need more room. Like that, which is nice. Especially if you're a heavy packer like me. And this is what she looks like in the inside. Got something in here. Oh. Oh, this is funny. Oh, this is a laundry bag. So like put your dirty clothes in here. This is nice. Dirt bag. I love that. Okay. Oh. Queen. I just want this to be me. We have another one. Not basic. Ah, that's funny. Bay, you get it guys? Basic. Okay. Cute. All right, let's open you up. So that's nice. You got little pockets there. And then a nice big opening for your clothes here. And then we have this side. Oh, okay. You gotta like push from the back. Okay, this is, I don't know what this is. Just another little, I don't know what I'd put in here, but cool. Can you take this out? I don't think I want this. Oh, I think you can take this out, guys. That's like the back of it. And I think you can like fold open too. But I'm just gonna take it out because I don't know what I'd use that for. And then you have all this open room here too. So that's nice. That's the suitcase. I love it. I love the color. Yeah. Next I got these cubes, like the travel cubes that you put your clothes in to create more space. Everything is so nicely packaged. I should point that out. Sometimes I feel like with Amazon or like other packages, they're always beat up already, or like the boxes are like effed up, or like, are you damaged? But these are nice. I like this. Oh, okay. Oh, it comes with, and on the back it has days you can like label, so if you did an outfit each day, and then you have blank ones where you can write your own, which is so cool. And I'm assuming they go right in here. Take that out, and then you could put one of these in there. That's so smart. I love how that came with that. I had no idea. All right, so you have like the smaller ones here, and then you have two medium-sized ones, and then a large one, and then the extra large one. Like for example, let's just throw you in here, you guys on top. Wait, stop. That's actually really cute. I love it. My final take on all this review-wise, boxing, great. Nothing was damaged, nothing's ripped, nothing's broken. Quality, pretty nice actually. Like there's feels pretty tough, but I guess I'll have to see next time I go to the airport because my gets banged up, you guys. This is a carry-on. I feel like my carry-ons are always a little bit different than my actual big suitcases that I take with me when I travel internationally. But yeah, the style is so cute, very fashionable. The fact that it came with like the little labels on it and like this laundry, like 2 different laundry bags. Other suitcases don't do that for me. Like what? I think I paid about $218 for this. Make sure you go check out the website below. They have other options too. Guys, all suitcases are really expensive unless you go to like TJ Maxx. Even then, they're still pretty pricey. And I feel like this is a snag with everything it came with. I did buy these separately, the 6-pack. I think these were, I can't remember how much I paid for these, but fun fact about this too, I ordered this suitcase on Wednesday and it got here today within 3 days, and I didn't pay extra for shipping or anything like that. It just came quickly. Love that. Okay, so the 6-pack was $74 and then the carry-on was $218. Honestly, guys, if you're gonna get quality suitcases that are gonna last you a minute, I say invest in it. You know, if you want cute, stylish suitcases, you're gonna have to bite the bullet and get like I did. But I'm happy. I love this. This is so cute. 10 out of 10 for me. We'll have to see how it holds up. But this video is not sponsored. I wish it was. I just wanted to unbox it. I was really excited about this because I love getting new suitcases. I figured it'd be a different kind of video. I don't really have much more to say. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel for more travel videos, and I'll see you guys on the next trip. Peace. 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 Krim hates when I say that.